Welcome to this video on electrical grounding failures, or as we call it, the ghost in the machine. We'll investigate the symptoms, diagnose the root causes, and secure the systems against these elusive problems. A broken ground creates high resistance, which confuses the electrical system. This blockage causes the system to generate phantom errors, mimicking other problems. We categorize vehicle symptoms into 3 diagnostic buckets. These are mechanical power, visual interfaces, and digital logic. Symptoms range from a failed starting system to false data readings by the ECU. A bad ground starves the power circuit. This can lead to a sluggish engine crank, a no-start condition, frequent battery death, or an underperforming alternator. Visual interface symptoms include flickering headlights, accessories dimming the dashboard, and random warning lights. The system can even reset the radio. Poor grounding creates electrical noise that distorts sensor signals. The engine control unit, or ECU, reads this false data and generates false diagnostic trouble codes. Grounding failures are often caused by the environment. Road salt accelerates oxidation, moisture traps rust, time degrades the metal connection, and physical damage can break the chassis strap. To restore the bare metal path, we follow a simple process: inspect, clean, and tighten. We look for rust, clean the contact area thoroughly to expose bare metal, and tighten all main ground bolts. Residential systems raise the stakes. Vehicles use the metal chassis for the return path, causing erratic component behavior upon failure. Houses use the earth for the safety path, and residential faults threaten human life. In vehicles, 12 volts grounding ensures system stability. Residential 120 volts/240 volts grounding ensures human life safety. A failure in the residential system creates a lethal shock hazard. A broken ground in a home appliance is a lethal hazard. The broken safety wire blocks the exit path. Electricity energizes the appliance case, and the current seeks a new path to the earth. A human touching the case completes the circuit. We follow strict safety rules when dealing with residential power. We use a non-contact voltage tester, turn off the main power at the breaker, contact a licensed electrician, and never touch energized metal. The laws of electricity remain universal. The grounding trinity requires continuity, a physical bare metal connection, clarity, eliminating electrical noise, and safety, routing rogue voltage away from humans.